Oh no, look at my shirt.
Don't worry. We can find you something new.
What happened? It looks old. The color is faded.
I know, it's definitely seen better days.
We can fix that. Yes, a little.
I feel tired of this shirt.
I know, but we can fix that. So, buy a new one.
That's it? But new clothes are expensive.
Not when you shop during Black Friday. I think they're all the same. Not always. Last week I saw a jacket.
Nice jacket? What?
Oh, this. Yeah, I suppose so.
Yeah, I like it. Yes, very nice. But $200.
Wow, that's a lot.
I cannot pay that much.
But look at this. You can get a discount with this special offer. Oh, I didn't realize that. Don't worry, Tom. Black Friday is coming.
Yeah, you're right. Thanks, Emma.
Black Friday?
Yes, Black Friday.
Yes, the big shopping day.
When is it?
It's coming up this Friday, Tom. Don't worry. I'll help you get ready. You wouldn't believe what I found online.
Really? Tell me.
Just wait until you see it. It's gonna save us so much money.
That's amazing.
Oh no, look at my shirt.
What happened? Sales?
Yes, Black Friday. Yes, sales mean lower prices. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, discount.
Right? It's like finding a treasure.
I wine panas praskown.
Correct. Sale and discount are similar.
Oh, I see.
So, how much lower?
I'm talking half off, Tom.
Whoa!
Look, 50% off.
Sometimes 50%?
Yes, 50%.
All right, let's do it.
50%?
Half price?
That's right. Yes, half price.
Half price.
Half price?
You mean my jacket that I really like is actually gonna be 50, not 100?
Exactly. Thank you.
That makes perfect sense.
Look at this flyer. Wow, that's a great deal.
Flyer?
Bio, flaw to Jack.
Yes, that's right. Check this out.
Yes, a paper with discounts. Oh, I see. Great.
Like an advertisement?
Yeah,
Yes, exactly.
I see. I see. Yes, but useful.
Oh, I get it.
Exactly. So, are you in?
Yeah, I'm in. Oh, I see. Flyer shows sales.
Exactly. So let's go.
This store has jackets. Half price.
Correct. Yes, and shoes too.
Shoes?
Are you serious? Oh no, my shoes are also old.
Well then,
Let's go shopping for those too. Perfect chance to buy. Haha. Okay, I'll consider it.
Really?
Yes.
That's amazing. Programashal.
Yes, we can shop smart.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I got it. Smart shopping? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Well, for ID for Bethine.
Yes, spend less, buy what you need.
That makes so much sense. I like that.
I'm glad you do.
So, let's go.
Go.
Yeah, that sounds like a great plan. Let's do it. Today?
Huh?
Yes, today.
Yes, today.
Yes, this afternoon.
Yes, this afternoon.
Great.
Oh, wow, shopping time.
Deal, Tom. Deal, Tom. Wow, so many people.
I know, right? It's Black Friday.
Yes, Tom, everyone loves sales.
Look, this dress is $100. We have to buy it.
Check the tag. Oh,
Oh, 50% off.
so $50 now. Oh,
Yes, because it's already 50% off.
half price.
Half price. Amazing.
I like it for the party.
Try it in the fitting room.
Okay, let's see how it looks.
Okay.
Haha. Too tight. What size is it?
Let me see. Look for the tag right there.
Oh, I see it, thanks.
Small. Try medium.
Good idea. Oh, this one fits well.
Yes, not too tight, not too loose.
Medium is perfect. Look, this jacket is $90.
Huh, that's way too much, don't you think?
Maybe. All right, fine.
Wait, that one is $80.
They're both jackets, but one has a hood and one doesn't. They're practically the same.
You're right. Which is better?
Let's compare. Compare means check price and quality. Yes, exactly.
Actually, relax ka naman po na diri ka lagi now. Audio, dahil ka sa bakin.
Open kaya tuwain? Okay.
Okay, the $90 jacket feels stronger.
Wow, I'm car now. Right, so more value.
That makes so much sense now. Let's go grab some deals. Hey, now. So,
So not always the cheaper one. Wow, free dress. Buy one, get one. Careful, Emma.
do you need 2 dresses?
Yes, because they're 50% off.
Maybe not.
Yeah, you're probably right.
It's not worth it.
Definitely not.
Then?
It's not saving. Not saving? But free?
Well, not exactly. Let me explain. You still spend money for extra.
But...
But if you think,
Oh. Oh, saving is buy only what I need.
perfect.
Tee-hee.
This shirt is 60, now 30.
How? Ah! Half price again.
Oh, really?
Should I buy two?
Yes, that's a great idea. Do you need two? Well, since they're on sale, I think I do.
Maybe one is enough.
Happen now.
What do you think?
I think you're right.
Yes, smart shopping. These shoes are $40.
But remember, gas, time, and money.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly.
Gas and time?
Yeah, the cost isn't just the price tag. Think gas for the drive here, the time we spend walking around, it all adds up.
Yeah.
Yes, if we run to every store, maybe we spend more. But if we plan, we save.
Okay, got it.
Oh, so think about overall cost. Exactly.
Yeah, that makes more sense. Exactly.
You're her. Exactly. Not only price.
So today I learned, compare prices. Don't buy too much, think of overall cost.
That's right. Perfect. That's smart shopping, Tom.
Ah, finally home.
Yes, Emma, so many people today. It's... Black Friday is crazy.
But we got good deals. Maybe 2% good. Impossible.
Look, my party dress. Ha! It's perfect on you, Emma. Beautiful.
And half price.
Oh, you're the best. Yes, 100 to 50. Wow.
Okay, I see your point. That's a great deal.
Discount is amazing.
And my shirt, 60 to 30.
Half price again.
We saved money.
We really did. My winter jacket.
Good choice. Warm and strong.
Not one down vodka.
Yes, not the cheapest, but better quality.
I can see that. It looks great. Ah! Look at this great deal I got. That's smart shopping.
Hey, what is member price? Member price means special price for store members.
Oh, I get it now. Thanks, Tom. Oh, no. Member like pay money to join?
Something like that, but there's a better way. No, membership is free. You just sign up.
Oh,
So free membership.
yeah, isn't that great?
Yes. Then you pay less.
Oh, I see. That makes sense. So the same bread is $5.99 for me, but $3.99 for members? Yep.
Crazy, right?
See? Now you get it. I can't believe how much we saved.
Exactly.
Oh no. I always paid full price.
Don't worry, Emma. Next time, sign up.
Look, this is my member card.
Member card?
Yes, one card gives member price and points.
Oh, that's so smart. Thank you, Tom. Points?
Wait a minute. Oh, you're not gonna believe this.
Yes, every time I shop, I get points.
Wow, that's so smart. And it adds up to great discounts. Points are... Look...
Points are like free money?
Exactly. Later, I can redeem them.
Huh. Redeem?
Redeem means use points like money.
Oh, I get it now. Thank you. Oh, wow. Save now and save later. And what about your credit card?
Well, the member card gives me extra points, so I'll save more in the long run. My credit card gives cash back.
Cash back?
Yes, the bank gives me money back. For example, 2% of groceries. What?
So you pay, then you get money back?
Yes, exactly. It's called cash back, and it saves us money.
Oh.
No wonder you always save more.
It's all about the timing.
Flyers, discounts, member card, points, cashback. That's the full list.
So today I learned, sale means discount. Half price is 50%. Compare prices and quality. Don't buy too much.
Perfect summary, Emma.
From now on, I shop like you.
Smart shopping.
Yes, it was.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Please like,
Share, and subscribe.
See you next time.